In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion link. Whether you're sending a quick draft to a colleague, circulating notes with your team, or making a page available to anyone, this process is quick and gives you clear control over who can see your content. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the exact page you want to share. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page, especially if your workspace has similarly named documents or databases. What your recipient can see or do will depend on the access you choose in the next step, so it's helpful to double-check the content now. Once you're on the right page, look to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, where all the access options live. Think of this panel as your control center for link visibility. In the Share panel, find the section labeled General Access. Here, you'll choose who can open the link. If you pick Only People Invited, your page stays private. The link by itself won't grant access. Only individuals you've explicitly invited will be able to open it. This option is great for sensitive drafts, personal notes, or anything you want to keep tightly controlled. If you select everyone in Workspace, you're enabling team access. That means anyone who belongs to your workspace can open the link. It's a convenient choice for internal documents, guidelines, or project hubs that multiple teammates might need. Keep in mind that the exact level of access, like viewing versus editing, follows your workspace policies and the page's existing permissions. If you choose anyone on the web with the link, you're creating a public, shareable link. Recipients won't need to log in to view it. This is perfect for wikis, public documentation, or resources you want to distribute broadly. Just remember, while the URL is typically long and hard to guess, anyone who receives the link can open it and may forward it, so avoid including confidential information. After you've selected the access level that fits your situation, click Copy Link. Notion places the link on your clipboard immediately, so you can paste it into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you share information. If someone reports they can't open the page, revisit the Share panel and confirm the general access setting matches your intention. And if you ever need to tighten access later, simply switch back to Only People Invited to limit who can get in. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to share a Notion link with the right level of access quickly and confidently.